Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look on euro currency as usual. So in euro currency, last week we still have the significant retracement. Probably it has started because actually we have talked about it within a couple of weeks already, but it still was some concern around where it could start. Either it will start right from the 1730 area, or as we said, it could start from the 1850. But currently, as you can see, we have some acceleration on Friday. It's downside action, and it's already shows the retracement approximately 150 pips. So it's a bit too much for intraday retracement. That makes me think that maybe indeed the retracement to the 115 that we have talked about is started. So currently, guys, we will be watching for a final point, final destination of this retracement, because particularly in this point we need to make the decision on the long entry. And depending what we will see around this area will tell us how it will be safe to take the position. Because as you know, our medium-term, short-term setup is based on this hand-shoulders pattern and on the pattern that we have on the weekly chart. So actually this is left shoulder head and stands in place. Now we're waiting for the right shoulder. Since the hand-shoulders is the harmonic pattern, it usually keeps harmony with the bottoms of the arms. So if we have the left arm bottom somewhere around 115, it means that the right arm bottom also should be somewhere in this area. So that's why we'll be watching for this level on the common week. As you can see, reversal down has started right from the strong daily resistance. As we said, mentioned in our daily videos, that strong resistance cluster. We point on some multiple fib levels that stands in this area. Simultaneously, this is an area of the neckline. So you can see on daily is the confluence. On the 4-hour time frame chart, it also our COP targets we have mentioned in the beginning of the week. So that's particularly the pattern that we were watching for. It's A, B, C bottom, COP, and we said that we should keep an eye because COP create the agreement with the daily confluence and daily resistance of the 1730, and it really could become the point where downward action will be reestablished. So for daily traders, as I said, it's not really very important from which point it will start, but the final destination point, what is really important. Also, we have mentioned within the week this divergence, so some preliminary steps for starting of retracement has been done. But somewhere in the middle of the previous week, it was significant upward bounce that let us talk to about the possible upward continuation. But as you can see, later on this week, on Friday, especially when the new statements from the Trump on the North Atlantic trade agreement, it has pushed dollar lower, demand for the United States dollar increased, and you can see the euro starts dropping. Here, guys, as a suggestion, I put the guarded equal to buy pattern, so it will be perfect if we will get kind of the ABCD pattern here, because this will make our life a bit easier, since we will have the bullish pattern on our back, and it will be easy to make the decision on the long entry. Also, I put here the 50% level, 50% support, because it stands very close to the 115 area, it's 115.16. And we know that for euro currency, the 50% levels are very common, and this happens very often in the market. So approximately, this is just an approximate scenario that could be formed. Maybe it will be different, but anyway, let's just keep an eye on this possible scenario. And if it will be formed, this will be great. If not, we'll see what will happen in reality. On the hourly chart, why I'm really talking about this ABCD possible action, because if we'll take a look at the hourly chart, on the hourly chart, market has completed ABC top XOP target here. And if we would suggest the upward bounce equal to harmonic retracement, so if we'll take a look, it's approximately the same retracements market has done here, and here was a bit smaller, but in general it's very close to it. So if it will make this retracement again, let's take a look. Market should reach an area around 1650, 1640, 1649. This will be confidence resistance on the hourly, and take a look. That will be the weekly pivot point for a common week. That's not bad chance to see it tested by the price action in the beginning of the week. And after that, downward continuation, if we'll get this AB equals CD, and it's point precisely at 115 area. So I think that this scenario is very probable. So let's see how it will turn. And that being said, in the beginning of the week, we will be watching for a possible bounce. As soon as it will be completed, our major task will be for downward continuation. And here also be culmination moments for a daily setup. It's the time will be where the daily traders will step in and where we'll need to make the decision. For scalp traders, guys, as I said on Friday, keep an eye on the possible different patterns. For example, that was one of them, scarcely cheaper to sell that we have mentioned. Here again, this could be another garden cheaper to sell. For example, if market will form kind of the ABCD action here. So this also was a kind of the ABCD action. So this will be ABCD retracement. You could think about taking the scalp short position, downward continuation here. It's also possible. So for scalp traders. Well, that's approximately the trading plan that we will be keep an eye on. But how it will turn in reality, we will see. And I hope that we finally will get the chance to take the long position according to our long-term view. I mean the hand shoulders on the daily chart.